Welcome back to CitiesPulse, explorers. Washington, D.C. tour. This city is unlike any other city we have visited. It's a city where history pops off, literally on every corner. We're talking monuments, museums, vibes you won't find anywhere else. So buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into a whirlwind tour of pure DC energy. This city, it's like a living, breathing textbook. One could even go as far as saying that this city is alive with stories, and we're about to write our own. First things first, the National Mall. Picture this, a massive green artery pumping life into the city. It's like the heart of DC, connecting all these iconic landmarks, monuments, museums. You name it, it's probably here. We're talking the Washington Monument, that towering obelisk, a testament to the big guy himself. And just a stone's throw away, the Lincoln Memorial, where Abraham Lincoln sits looking out over the reflecting pool. You walk this stretch, and you feel it. The weight of history, the sacrifices made, the dreams fought for. It's humbling, you know, like walking through a time capsule, except this one's open 24/7. And those monuments, they're not just stone and metal. They're stories etched in time, reminders of what it means to be American. Soak it up, people. This is history in high definition. Speaking of soaking it up, ever seen a reflection so clear it makes you question reality? That's the reflecting pool for you. Stretching out like a liquid mirror, connecting the Lincoln Memorial to the World War II Memorial. It's like the city's built on reflections, on looking back to move forward. And this pool, it's the ultimate symbol of that. Plus, it's a killer spot for photos. Trust me, your Instagram will thank you. But beyond the gram, take a second. Look around, feel the energy. This place, it's buzzing with life. Tourists from all over the world, locals catching a break, everyone united under this wide open sky. It's a reminder that freedom, man, it ain't just a word on a piece of paper. It's alive, it's vibrant, and it's right here reflected in the water. And that, my friends, is what makes this city so special. Gather around, history buffs and curious minds, because we're about to enter the Smithsonian universe. This isn't just a museum, it's like a museum galaxy. Seriously, there are like 19 museums and galleries, all free. Free! You could spend days here, weeks even, and still not see everything. Let's take a tour of the heavy hitters, the ones that'll blow your mind wider than a DC thunderstorm. First up, the National Air and Space Museum. This place is a love letter to all things flight. We're talking the Wright brothers plane, the Apollo 11 command module, spacesuits, rockets, the whole shebang. You'll be walking amongst legends, feeling that urge to defy gravity, to reach for the stars. It's enough to make you want to book a one-way ticket to Mars. Or at least, that's how I felt. Next stop, the National Museum of American History. This is where America tells its story. From the Star-Spangled Banner to Dorothy's ruby slippers, it's a wild ride through the highs and lows of this nation. You'll see how innovation shaped this country, how pop culture evolved, how struggles for equality continue to define us. It's simply powerful. Makes you realize that history isn't just dates and names, it's about people, their dreams, their struggles, their triumphs. And that's the beauty of the Smithsonian, you know? It connects you to something bigger than yourself. It reminds you that we're all part of this crazy, messy, beautiful thing called humanity. So yeah, maybe museums aren't your thing, but trust me, the Smithsonian, it's different. It's an experience, a journey, a chance to lose yourself in the stories that shaped our world. Picture this, the sun setting, casting a golden glow over the Potomac. You're strolling down a pier with the freshest seafood in DC. That's the wharf for you. This place is buzzing, a total vibe. Cobblestone streets, boats, live music. It's like the city took a chill pill. From upscale seafood towers to classic fish and chips, juicy oysters, lobster rolls, and crab cakes. Hop on a water taxi, catch a concert, or just kick back with a drink. The energy here is contagious. Whether you're a foodie or just looking for fun, make sure the wharf is on your DC itinerary. Now let's talk activities. If you're feeling adventurous, rent a kayak and paddle your way around the harbor. Want something a little more laid back? Grab a blanket and catch a free concert at the pier. They've got everything from local bands to big-name acts. And let's not forget about the shopping. The wharf is home to a bunch of unique boutiques and shops where you can find one-of-a-kind souvenirs and gifts. It's the perfect place to pick up something special for your friends back home, or yourself, no judgment here. But the real magic of the wharf happens at night. As the sun goes down, the whole place lights up. The waterfront twinkles, the bars come alive, and the atmosphere is electric. It's like stepping into a different world. So grab your friends, grab your appetite, and get ready for a night to remember at the wharf. It's the kind of place where memories are made. DC is amazing, which is why a night-guided bus or bike tour is a must. Seeing the city lit up at night? Incredible. Iconic monuments bathed in ethereal glow. The Lincoln Memorial, stoic and majestic. The Washington Monument, a beacon of freedom. The World War II Memorial, shimmering lights. It's enough to give you goosebumps. Hop on a guided bus tour or a bike tour or cruise the Potomac. Each offers a unique perspective. Landmarks illuminated against the dark sky, a new dimension to their grandeur. And when you're done with the tours, explore the vibrant nightlife. From live music venues to rooftop bars with stunning views. Dance the night away at popular clubs like 930 Club, Off the Records Bar and Club, or listen to jazz at Blue Alley. You can also try out some nighttime game and entertainment activities at Kick-Axe Throwing DC or Crumbs and Whiskers. DC has a booming nightlife. But DC's night scene isn't just about pretty lights. Oh no, this city's got a spooky side too. And I'm not talking about your average Halloween decorations. We're talking real-deal ghost stories, folks. Apparently, DC is one of the most haunted cities in America. Who knew, right? So, if you're feeling brave, sign up for a ghost tour. You'll walk through the shadowy streets, hearing tales of presidents past, Civil War soldiers, and other restless spirits that are said to roam the city. You'll hear about the ghost of Abraham Lincoln wandering the White House halls, the demon cat said to haunt the U.S. Capitol building, and the countless other unexplained occurrences that have been reported over the years. You must not believe in ghosts before you go on this tour. Whether you believe or not, a ghost tour is a thrilling way to experience a different side of DC. Just don't tag us if you can't sleep after. All right, let's talk about something a little more cheerful, shall we? Springtime in DC means one thing: cherry blossoms. Imagine this: thousands upon thousands of fluffy pink and white blossoms exploding across the city, transforming the landscape into a scene straight out of a fairy tale. It's like the city puts on its finest floral dress and throws a giant party. And the best part? Everyone's invited. The National Cherry Blossom Festival is a massive celebration with parades, concerts, fireworks, and enough food stalls to satisfy even the biggest foodie. But the real highlight is just strolling beneath those blooming trees, soaking in their beauty and the festive atmosphere. It's the kind of experience that makes you want to grab your camera, ditch the itinerary, and just wander. Just a heads up though, the cherry blossoms are only in bloom for a short window each spring, so plan your trip accordingly. Trust me, you don't want to miss this spectacle. Now, even if you can't make it for the cherry blossoms, don't worry. DC has a festival for practically every season. From food festivals celebrating the city's diverse culinary scene to music festivals showcasing local and international talent, there's always something going on. In the summer, there are outdoor movie screenings, jazz concerts in the park, and street fairs galore. Fall brings vibrant foliage, pumpkin spice everything, and of course, Halloween celebrations. And winter wouldn't be complete without dazzling holiday markets, ice skating rinks, and cozy fire pits. So, no matter when you decide to visit DC, check out the city's event calendar. Chances are you'll stumble upon a festival or two that piques your interest. It's all part of the vibrant tapestry that makes DC such an exciting place to be. All right, guys, let's backpaddle to the iconic monuments in DC, the kind of places that show you the origin of the American dream. Places where big decisions went down, big speeches were made. Places that shaped the world we know today. And there's no better place to start than the tidal basin. Picture this: cherry blossoms raining down, the sun setting over the water, and these massive monuments standing tall, reflecting in the basin. It's like something out of a movie, but better because it's real and you're here living it. First up, the Jefferson Memorial. This dome, man, it's iconic. It's like the Pantheon in Rome, but with Thomas Jefferson staring out at you, reminding you of those inalienable rights: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Powerful stuff. And then, just across the water, boom, the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. This one hits you right in the feels. King stands tall, a beacon of hope carved in stone, forever reminding us of the dream and the fight for equality. It's a powerful reminder that change doesn't come easy, but it's always worth fighting for. Now, I know what you're thinking. We've seen the big ones, the classics. But trust me, DC doesn't quit when it comes to monuments. There are hidden gems tucked away all over the city, each with a story to tell. Take the Franklin Delano Roosevelt Memorial, for example. It's not just a monument, it's an experience. You walk through different sections, each representing a term of his presidency. And speaking of powerful experiences, the World War II Memorial is a must-see. The sheer scale of it, with those towering pillars representing each state, it's a sobering reminder of the cost of freedom. So yeah, DC is more than just monuments. It's a city that breathes history, a place where the past and present collide. Don't just check the boxes. Let these places speak to you, because that's what they're there for. There's one iconic landmark that deserves a spotlight of its own: the White House. Experience the grandeur and history of the White House, the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. Imagine walking through the iconic rooms where monumental decisions have been made and exploring the beautiful gardens that have witnessed countless historic events. Each corner of this grand residence holds a story, from the Oval Office to the Rose Garden, each element intricately woven into the fabric of American history. Feel the weight of the past as you stand in rooms where presidents have shaped the nation, and marvel at the architectural beauty that has stood the test of time. The White House is not just a building, it's a symbol of the American spirit, resilience, and leadership. So as you continue your adventure in Washington, D.C., make sure to include a visit to this historic and awe-inspiring place. Alright, so you've had your fill of history, soaked up some culture. Now it's time to unleash your inner shopaholic. There's no better place to do that in DC than Georgetown. Unique boutiques, high-end stores, vintage finds. Georgetown's got it. Historic buildings, cobblestone streets. It's a vibe. Even if shopping isn't your thing, grab a coffee, soak in the energy. Georgetown's where history meets hip. Don't miss it. But hold up, we're not done with the retail therapy just yet. If you're looking for that sleek, modern shopping experience, City Center DC is calling your name. This place is all about luxury, from the high-end boutiques to the Michelin-starred restaurants. Think designer labels, cutting-edge fashion. It's the kind of place that makes you want to dress to impress. And hey, even if you're not dropping serious cash, window shopping here is an event in itself. But City Center DC isn't just about shopping. It's also a hub for art and culture. With public art installations, outdoor events, there's always something going on. So grab a drink, soak in the atmosphere, and enjoy the city's vibrant energy. Alright, all this exploring is bound to work up an appetite. And when in DC, you can't talk about food without mentioning the legendary Ben's Chili Bowl. This place is more than just a restaurant, it's a DC institution. We're talking half-smokes, chili cheese fries, milkshakes, the kind of food that's been satisfying locals and tourists alike for decades. Stepping inside Ben's is like stepping back in time. The walls are lined with photos of celebrities and politicians who've graced their booths, everyone from presidents to musicians. It's a testament to the power of good food and a welcoming atmosphere. And the best part? It's open late. So whether you're craving a post-museum snack or a late-night bite after exploring the city, Ben's Chili Bowl has got you covered. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. But hold up, DC's food scene is way more than just chili dogs, although those are pretty amazing. We're talking about a city that embraces diversity, and that's reflected in its food scene. From Ethiopian injera to Vietnamese pho, from Salvadoran pupusas to Lebanese shawarma, you name it, DC's got it. And the best part? You don't have to travel far to experience this culinary adventure. Just wander the streets, follow your nose, and be adventurous. Try something new, step outside your comfort zone. You might just discover your new favorite dish. And hey, that's what exploring a new city is all about, right? It's about trying new things, pushing your boundaries, and opening yourself up to new experiences. And trust me, your taste buds and your Instagram feed will thank you. So there you have it, the best tour of Washington, D.C. From the historical monuments to the vibrant food scene, this city's got it all. We've walked the halls of history, explored world-class museums, cruised along the waterfront, and indulged in some seriously good food. But more than anything, we've experienced the energy, the diversity, and the spirit of this incredible city. Washington, D.C. is a place where history comes alive, where culture thrives, and where there's always something new to discover. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.